Namaste, welcome to DIWALOG. Today we're gonna do our makeup together. But my videos are incomplete without a catch. So I'm gonna do my makeup in the reverse order. Yes, you heard it right. So I'm gonna do the last step first and the first step last. I am so nervous yet excited for this one because this can either turn out to be very beautiful and a new way to do your makeup probably, or this can turn out to be extremely hilarious. So if you want to see how the final look turns out, you have to watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's begin. So I have actually created like a to-do list sort of thingy wherein I've mentioned all of these steps that I follow, but we're gonna do that in the reverse order. So we're gonna be starting from the last step and then slowly and steadily we're gonna move on to the first step. I'm so nervous. Let's begin. So the first step of today's makeup is going to be setting spray. Honestly, I feel like it's okay to keep it as my first step, as it is going to help me create an even base for my makeup canvas. I've got the glow right in the beginning. Next, we're going to use a lipstick. This feels so wrong, but let's do it. Next step is mascara. For that, I'm going to use the Maybelline's Sky High Mascara. Next, we're going to use a highlighter. Now again, I use a blush before the highlighter, but let's use this. Look at that shine. Next, let's move on to blush now. It feels like I'm doing a sin right now, but it's completely okay. Honestly, it does look very natural and very pretty. Guess what will be the next step? The base products, I guess, are gonna ruin this makeup look because we're gonna be using a loose powder. I don't even know what I should set right now, but let's even out the texture. Oh my god. Next, we're gonna move on to concealer. Guess what I'm gonna use next? I'm gonna use a skin tint on the top of a full face makeup. Now we're gonna move on to the last step / the first step of the makeup, which is Lumi cream. Now this can be used as a moisturizer, this can be used as a primer, and this can also be used as a highlighter. So I'm gonna use this as a highlighter today. I'm just gonna take like a few dots. I'm gonna be using it to like highlight my face. Look at that. So this is the final look. Honestly, I expected it to be hilarious, but this actually looks good. I feel like I'm glowing from within, and the reason behind that is the Lumi cream and the setting spray. I really like how the Lumi cream has added kind of that highlighter glow. It was a smart move, right? I really like this makeup look. I feel like it's good. It's not that bad. Rate this makeup look in the comments. What do you think about this challenge? If you have any other recommendations, challenges, video ideas that you want me to try, just drop a comment in the comment section and I would love to create that video for you. I would catch you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay happy, and goodbye.